So this is the hammer lug crimper right here. This one relies upon brute force. So this is from Temco, and this applies force on a pin, and to get it to actually do the correct crimping, you have to hit it with a heavy hammer. They recommend a 2 to 4 pound sledge, but in this case you can actually go all the way up to 4/0 or 4/0 wires, so you can go to the highest gauge connector I have, but you are going to need to hit it with a hammer. You're going to have maybe a board under here. You can mount this to a workbench, so that's another thing you can think about. So if you're doing a ton of these, this might be a better tool for you. This will create all of that force in that one little area. So this connector goes in here. We're going to align it somewhere in the middle. Now I'm supposed to be using a 2 to 4 pound sledge. I grabbed the biggest framing hammer I have. The difference is it's going to take more hits. I'm going to go ahead and hit once. Now this isn't enough. I need more pressure than that, but it's a good start, and it's creating that mechanical crimp. So I'm going to take this and finish it later, but that's the difference on how this one works versus the other two. But this is from Temco. It's very highly rated. It did actually put that nub in there, and it did taper the bottom. I was worried that the bottom might be flattened out, but I like actually how that worked. Other than being super noisy and not working real well in a tight space, I think this thing's gonna work.